Hello everybody, my name is Steffen, CEO and co-founder of the German renewable energy advisory firm Think RE. Today it's a great honor for me to announce a cooperation with a cleantech company called FlexiDAO, located in Barcelona and Amsterdam. Both companies had decided to conduct workshops and webinars covering the topic of power purchase agreements. Power purchase agreements are known as direct contracts between an owner of a renewable energy asset and the institutional electricity consumer. In our upcoming webinar, we provide you a detailed overview of different software solutions concerning the question how to source and how to monitor power purchase agreements. In the first part of the webinar, Think RE will introduce its sustainability platform called ReWave, which comes up with one of its first features, which we call impact analysis. With this tool, you can quickly get an overview if a particular country is qualified for closing power purchase agreements. The tool provides you a detailed overview on electricity price forecasts, PPA price levels, and the individual impact of PPAs on your carbon footprint in more than 32 countries. In the second part of the webinar, it is a great honor for me to welcome Giacomo, member of FlexiDAO. So Giacomo, what can the audiences expect from the second part of the presentation?
Thank you, Stefan. We are very excited to collaborate with you. Well, at FlexiDAO, we guide companies along the path of becoming energy leaders through sourcing true zero carbon electricity every hour of the day and every day of the year. During the upcoming webinar, we will present our cutting-edge software solution for PPA monitoring, which adds a layer of transparency and credibility on the stipulated agreement, allowing buyers and sellers to access near real-time data on the energy they exchange. Our solution gives a strategic overview aggregating the main KPIs and return of investment scenarios of the PPAs in a user-friendly software interface, which helps companies to better communicate their renewable energy achievements.
Excellent, Giacomo. So the audiences can be truly excited about this workshop, which is the first of its kind, completely covering the entire chain of a power purchase transaction, starting from the sourcing to the monitoring of PPAs.
Exactly. So take advantage of these free learning opportunities subscribing through the link you will find in this post.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.